Well, she's back in the saddle again, and golly gosh, I sure hope we have finally licked the electrical problems that have been plaguing the truck lately. For those of you not up to speed, so we've had an issue with it just being dead. Brought it out, the AAA guy, he says that the alternator was not charging the truck. A little more investigation was that on these trucks, the alternator doesn't excite below a certain level. So at idling speed, you're just not charging. You kind of got to get it above a certain RPM. So we thought that was it, but then still put in then we decided the battery was bad. So we put in another battery, and a week later, after sitting in the rain, rained all week, but after a week of that, then it didn't, just dead. And even trying to jump it and rev it and charge it, just would not want to accept a charge. So then we got ourselves a new battery, but we think we finally have got it licked here. It was a problem with a cable from the big cable that was just bad, even though it looked okay. And we'll show you that that bad boy here. So apparently what was happening was that the cable was obviously being old, was also touching the frame, and I'm not sure if you can even see it there, but just gone through the rubber and just was crap. So we are hoping and praying. They actually kept it for a few extra days so they could start it up and, check it, battery each time, and run it for 20 minutes, drive it for 20 minutes. And it registered fine every time. So fingers crossed, we have finally licked these nagging electrical issues, and the truck is ready to just cruise. And of course, being at the shop, got dirty once again. I don't know what it is. I think every auto repair shop in America is located next to like a rock crushing plant or something. They just always come back dirty. But that's a pretty small price to pay to give her another cleaning. But yeah, so glad to have her back. Nope, that's caked on there.